Welcome to 20659 Furr Road in Round Hill, Virginia. This home has everything on your wish list. Not only is there a pool with amazing views of the countryside, but there is a nearby guest house perfect for an au pair or in-law suite. But the main home with its 5 bedrooms and 4 full baths will have plenty of room for everyone. Let's move now inside and take a look. You'll love the spacious living areas in this 2-story colonial. This large eat-in kitchen with stainless steel appliances is sure to please the chef in your family. In addition, a main-level master suite will be a joy to come home to. It has a fabulous master bath that walks out to the pool. A beautifully finished lower level has plenty of room for all your favorite activities, with the added bonus of a custom-designed built-in wet bar. Secluded down a tree-lined driveway on over 14 scenic acres, this property is fenced and ready for your horses. You'll love this classic setting, plus the ride out here is simply amazing. Nearby Purcellville is also just minutes away, where you'll discover fine dining, specialty shops, and a host of other amenities. Don't miss this unique opportunity to own a one-of-a-kind home in this exclusive area of Loudoun County. For more information or to arrange for a personal tour of this wonderful property, contact Sam or Ray Rees at 703-408-4261 or make an appointment and visit them at their downtown Purcellville office.